Everybody, there is no God but Allah. Muhammad is a messenger of Allah. In this video, we will learn how to integrate and use Sonar Cube with our Node.js application to find bugs and also security issues, code smell and other stuff to enhance our performance and code quality also. Okay, software testing is a part of software development life cycle to ensure that the code deployed is a high quality code without bugs and also without logical errors. So software testing it's important phase and in our software development process. Okay, also I want to highlight something. It's recommended, okay, before integration to finalize the implementation part. This two articles, it's a Node.js application, authentication and authorization using JWT in Node.js. So it's highly recommended to finalize the implementation part, creating Node.js application. Okay, creating Node.js application, so authentication and authorization using JWT. Once you finalize this part, okay, you will be able to integrate because you have already created a project Node.js application, and you will be test this application using Sonar Cube to find any bugs, any issues in your code in the development phase before deployment. Okay, the testing level, there are many levels of testing. The first level is unit testing, means testing individual modules, individual component in isolation without any integration with any dependency to confirm that the code is doing things right. Okay, this is the unit test. For integration testing means checking if different modules are working fine while when combining these modules together as a group. So this is the integration testing, when integrating modules, if they are working fine or not. This is the integration testing. System testing, this performed by developers and QA also to ensure that the system does what it was designed to do. They can this testing can done automatically by using, for instance, something like Selenium. There is also acceptance testing, is performed by customers or managers to test whether the software is confirming a specified requirement and user requirement or not. Okay, so this is the testing level. Sonar Cube. Sonar Cube is an automatic tool used to review and detect bugs, security issues and code smells in your code. Okay, this is the Sonar Cube. It helps developer and it helps developers to manage the code quality and consistency. Also helps to increase the performance and the code quality because it's check potential bugs, code defects and code application and lack of test coverage. Also testing the complexity of our code. Okay, there is some reasons that you use static code analysis like Sonar Cube. It helps for finding errors early in the development phase. Okay, because finding errors early in the development phase is very cheap and easy to fix before going into production. Also, it's detect the over complexity in our code, which allow us to refactoring and simplifying this complexity. Okay. Also find the security errors, helps us to find security errors, enforce the developers to follow best coding practices. SonarCube also automated and integrated in Jenkins. So this is the reasons to use static code analysis. Okay. SonarCube features, it can work with more different languages, identify tricky issue, which allow us to detect the following: detect bugs, code smells, which are characteristics of the code of a code that indicates that there are a problem may be happen in the future by detecting the bugs and the code smells. Okay. Also, it's help us to find the security issues in the code that may be happen and may be face. Also, SonarCube enhances the workflow that ensures better CI/CD automated code analysis. Okay, and also integrated with GitHub. This is the SonarCube features. Now, this is the integration part. Okay. For integration part, you should make sure first that Docker is installed in your system. Okay. Okay. Clear. By running this command docker enter. Yes, now this Docker is installed successfully in your system. No issue in that. Good. Okay. And if you aren't installed Docker, you can visit the official website and follow the instruction of installing Docker in your operating system. Okay. Now we will pull SonarCube image. This is the second step. Okay. So first step is installing Docker. Second step, pull SonarCube image, and we will set up SonarCube project via browser. Once we install the project, we will integrate this project in our Node.js project and run SonarCube scanner to scan our code and find the security bugs and also code smells and other stuff of testing. Okay. Now the second part is pull SonarCube image by running this command: docker pull SonarCube. Okay. Now it's pulling the image from Docker Hub now. Okay. We have installed the Docker and now we are pulling SonarCube image from Docker Hub. Okay, good. Maybe it's taking time for pulling the image. Okay. After pulling the image, SonarCube image, we will make sure that this image pulled and installed successfully in our machine by running this docker command, docker images. Okay. We will wait for pulling this image. Sorry, it's taking time. Okay. this is the Docker website. Okay, you will find the instruction for installing Docker in your machine. You can select your operating system, install Docker in on Ubuntu or Linux, sorry. You can install in Windows and start using the Docker. You can find all of this information in Docker official site. Okay, we will check downloading. Okay, Docker build Sonar Cube. Why it's taking time like this? Go. Yes, this is a project that we will integrate. Okay, this is authentication and authorization application using Node.js and JWT. We have already developed this project and creating our own APIs. In this step, we will test the code quality and also the performance of the system in the development phase using Sonar Cube to find any issues. Okay, and this will help us to follow the best practice for when developing any application and avoiding any security issues that you will face in the future. Okay, let's check. Yes, short time. Okay, now it's already downloaded in our machine. Now let's check this image, Docker images. Yes, Sonar Cube. It's now built successfully and it's already exists in our machine. Okay, let's continue. Sorry. Okay, Docker images to check and make sure that the Sonar Cube image is pulled successfully in our machine. Now we will running Sonar Cube image by running the following command: docker run -- name. This is the tag like naming the image. Okay, and this will be running in touch mode, and this is the port 9000, and this is the image name. Okay, now we will run this image by this command. Okay, the image, we will check the image if it's running successfully or not by running this command. Sorry, docker bs. As you can see, it's running created and running from for 14 seconds ago. Okay, and its status up. We can visit this URL on port 9000. Okay, this is the Sonar Cube. It's installed successfully, and we will create our first project from the web UI. Okay, Sonar Cube is up, all system operational. We will enter the default username and password, admin, and password admin. Login. It will ask you for updating username. The old password is admin, the new password, okay, this one, sorry, this is the new password, updating the new password. Okay, now we have already pulled the Sonar Cube image and running this image successfully. We will create the first project and integrate this project with our Node application to scan our code and find any errors or any bugs in our system. Okay, create a new project by providing project ID and token. Okay, now create new project. Project key, we will name it JWT. Setup, create a token, JWT authorization 1 2 3. Okay, and this is our token. Continue. What's your build technology? It's GS. What's your operating system? It's Linux. Now we will download and unzip the scanner for Linux. Okay, yes, this scanner we will download. Okay, I have downloaded it before, the Sonar scanner. Okay, and it's already in my environment. This is, you can download. Yes, and this is, we will configure our project now. Okay, we will copy this. Where is, yes, this is the token. Okay, we will copy this configurations and creating a file, new file in Node.js application, or Node.js application sonar-project.properties here. Okay, and this is the configuration. We will change the project key to JWT. Okay, Sonar source. Here, as you can see, project key, sorry, it will be the token, or token, not JWT. Project name, it's JWT. So project key will be the generated token that we have generated. Okay, notion that. Okay, and the project name, it's JWT. We can JWT. Okay, now the last step, this is the definitions. The last step is running this command inside project directory. Sonar scanner, this is the scanner that I have downloaded in my environment. Okay, and the project key JWT. Source will be the current directory, and this is the URL for SonarCube image, localhost 9000 port, and this is the generated token that we have generated. So copy this command, and inside this project we will run this. Sorry. We will provide here the token that we have generated for this project. Okay, now it's scanning now our code to find bugs and security issues and any problem in our code. Okay, it's finished. Now we can open Sonar Cube. As you can see, this is the project that we have developed, and it's buzzed. There is two bugs and two security hotspot bugs. So this is the overall code testing. It's buzzed, no issue, but there is two bugs in our code. In source controllers authentication.js, this is the first bug. Add return statement to this callback. You can find all the details here related to the bug that you are written. Okay, and also it's give you some suggest to solve this part, some information to fix this error or this bug. Okay, the second bug, consider using for each instead of map, as its return value is not being used here. Okay, so this is the Sonar Cube integration with Node.js to find any issues in your code and increase the performance of code quality during the development phase before going into productions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget like and subscribe. Thank you.